And I'm back. Makita. Just come as you are. Today I'm going to unbox. Today I'm going to unbox a knife. Here, got a knife. Let me retract the blade. Okay, don't tell my wife. Back again, don't tell my wife. I'm going to unbox, as they say, a vacuum. Bought on Amazon. My wife bought it, and I'm gonna see how good it is, how it compares to my Makita vacuums, and do a little bit of a shootout here. We're suck fest. It's gonna be a suck fest, basically. It's gonna be a suck fest. Let's get this knife going here. How to properly unbox. Like that. Let's see what's in here. Okay. We don't need that. It's the Black & Decker Dust Buster. It's actually gonna be pretty good. It's got 3 times the suction power. It's gonna suck even harder. Black & Decker, I'm sure you all know, same people who own Black & Decker own DeWalt. And Stanley, it's actually Stanley, Black & Decker, they own DeWalt. Stanley, they dabble in security. I dabble in security, mostly dabble in insecurity, but what can you say? You gotta dabble in something. Now, you don't say diddle. You don't diddle in things. Diddling is a bad word, I think. So I don't diddle, I dabble. This comes with one of these things here. It's called a, be careful where you hold that on the shot. I'll tell you that much right now. Okay, look at this. Emerged from its cocoon of plastic. It's kind of cute, really. It almost looks like one of those pots, you know, that my dad uses. You take the pot and you smell up the, clears your nose out. Almost looks like one of those pots, but it's not. I think you just screw this on here. Whoa. I probably should read the instructions. I don't need no instructions. That's pretty easy. Maybe not. There we go. Look at that. Got to charge it up. Comes with a little plastic thing there. Oh, feel it. Oh, it comes with a charge on it. Now, I don't know if you can tell what kind of charge it has, but I'll tell you, straight out the box. Oh, changing the game right there. Oh, you get some little bristles. 16-volt lithium? What? Oh, kind of like that song by Soundgarden, Lithium? Soundgarden? Anybody? Soundgarden, Lithium? Goes, come as you are. As you watch you. Lithium by Soundgarden. Pretty good. So, it comes with instructions. It's pretty cool. Cordless hand vacuum. Advertencia. Multiple languages, obviously. Emerged from its boxing and travel condom of sorts is the Black & Decker 16-volt lithium dust buster. It's blue and white and gray. It comes with some sort of a charge on it already. The power it was shipped with is kind of impressive. It comes with instructions. You know, if you're a guy, you probably don't read them. Oh, aspiradoria di mano e la flaminare burrica. I don't get it. Okay, so Black & Decker. This is the BDH 2000000L. I think that's what it is. Black & Decker. This, push this, and you can swivel this. It's pretty cool. You push that, it comes right off. It looks nice. I mean, it's a lot nicer than my Makita. I wonder how you get into that there filter thing. Oh, what is this? Filter. You push this. It's so simple, you don't need instructions. Holy cow. Check this out. It's got this cute little thing in there. You can clean that right out. You can clean it. Got this little guy. Pull that little guy off there. I think this all just stays on there. You kind of clean it. You do this. Interesting. Do this. Interesting. You comes back on there. This goes back on there. Oh, it looks like it's only one way. This one. Ooh. Interesting. I'm intrigued. Like this. I give it a C- for ease of reinstallation of the whole shebang. It sucks. It's got this cute little charging base. Look at that. It's like a space-agey type of a, just does that? So you set it, what? I don't know, do better, Black & Decker. This is weird. This used to get mounted on the wall and it would like sit there or ka-chunk like that, ka-chunk like that, ka-chunk like Now you have to have a space somewhere for that to sit. And it. Yeah, it's kind of weird. And I'm back. 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 This says CVA 1410L. Not sure which one it is, but it's cute. It's large, small debris. Deep clean. You can do a bunch of things, really. Laugh at the doofus. What is that? It's extendable? What? I gotta go get this thing right now. And I'm back. And I'm back. Pull it off of its base. And I'm back. Clamp. Pull it off of its base right now. And I'm back. Look at that. It's extendable. If you need that extra 5 inches of length, it can be longer. Sort of goes out there. Now, look at that. Gonna suck some things, gonna suck them up. You would think this would be a video for someone to insert such crude humor such as, this really sucks, or look at it suck. Something about sucking, because vacuums obviously suck. I think that's played out, and quite frankly, not a place for that in this type of a channel. This is a serious channel. We only want to bring you the serious tool facts, 100% serious. That's all this channel is we're all about being serious, and you can trust there will be no crazy, stupid, off-color humor such as that on this channel. I think it was like $40 or $50 or something. I don't pay the bills. Black & Decker Dustbuster, if it holds up like it is right now, I'd say it's worth the purchase. It's worth the buy, it's worth the price. I kind of wish I had one actually for myself. But I'll show you what I use, and we're gonna compare it to what I use. I've got 2 different Makita vacuums that I carry on my truck, and we're gonna do a bit of a suck off. Suck fest. We're gonna see how hard they suck. Totally serious. I've got standard sawdust. I got a few liters of sawdust there. I'm gonna show you how the Makita vacuum sucks it up. I'm gonna show you how the brand new beautiful Dustbuster sucks it up, and how it compares to the Makita. Here we go. Now my trusty old Makita here, this is the XLCO2 218 volt Makita. Been around a while. 3.5 hour battery here. It doesn't feel as good. Doesn't feel as good as the Dustbuster. And it costs like twice as much. Here we go. Pretty good. I've got a row of oatmeal. Household items. Here we go. Why not a row of grape nuts? Boom. Typical household, a line of household powder-like substance. Oh. Not bad. Dustbuster versus the sawdust. Oh, pretty good. Oatmeal. What I really like too is you hear it going through here. It's kind of therapeutic, you know, like soothing sounds. You hear it going through. When it goes through the vacuum urethra or whatever that's called. Miscellaneous house powder here. It's a good vacuum. Not bad. Not bad at all. This vacuum works really, really well. It's a good vacuum. It's a good vacuum. I hate neighbors. Neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber, as are busy streets. Never forget that. You're gonna love this vacuum. I'm excited about this vacuum. Get this vacuum. This vacuum is amazing.